In this lesson, we are going to calculate the angle between clock hands. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of an analog clock when the time reads A 12:15, B 5 o'clock, and C 7:30? So we are looking at 12:15. So in terms of hour hand, so we know that one rotation is giving us 12 hours. When we move from 1 up to 12, one rotation gives us 12 hours, which is equivalent to 360 degrees. We know that one rotation in terms of angles is also 360 degrees. So 12 hours is equal to 360 degrees. In terms of an hour, we're having 360 degrees divided by 12, and this is giving us 30 degrees. So therefore, 1 hour is giving us 30 degrees. So when the angle moves from here to here, so 1 hour is giving us 30 degrees. So we want to look at in terms of minute. So 1 minute is equal to 30 degrees divided by 60, and this is giving us 1 on 2 degrees. So 1 minute, the hour hand move half degrees. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The hour hand to move from here to here in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. So therefore, the hour hand we have 30 degrees per hour plus 1 on 2 minute. So let's look at the minute hand. So one rotation is giving us 60 minutes, which is equivalent to 360 degrees. So in terms of 1 minute, we're having 360 degrees divided by 60, and this is giving us 6 degrees. Okay, so therefore 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. So in terms of the minute hand, 1 minute, it gives us 6 degrees. Let theta equal to the angle between the clock hands. So theta is equal to the angle between the clock hands. So let's find the difference between the clock hands. Is equal to the hour hand, we have 30 degrees per hour plus half minute degree minus in 1 minute we have 6 degrees per minute. So this gives us 30 plus half minute degree minus 6 minute degree. So let's find LCM for this. 2 divided by 2 is 1, multiplied by which is 1, minus this is giving us 12. So this gives us negative 11 on 2. So this gives us 30 degrees per hour minus 11 on 2 minute degree. So this gives us the general formula. So therefore, the general formula is equal to 30 per hour minus 12 on 2 minute or degree. The angle will give us positive, so we take the absolute value. We take the absolute value. So in terms of A, 1215. So this gives us, so this is theta. So this gives us theta equal to the absolute value 30 degree per hour minus 12 on 2 in its all degree. So we realize that in terms of hours, how many hours have we moved? So we have 1215. 1215 meaning it have not gotten to an hour. So the hour here is 0 minus 11 on 2 multiplied by the minutes. So it have moved how many minutes? 15 minutes. And this is giving us all degrees. So this is equal to 0 plus, we have 665 divided by 2. We have plus because the absolute value will give us a positive number. So this is giving us 82.5 degrees. So in terms of the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 12:15 is 82.5 degrees. So when the time is 5 o'clock, so 5 o'clock, so we have theta is equal to 30 degrees per hour minus 11 on 2 minutes, all in degrees. So this gives us 30 multiplied by how many hours? 5 hours minus 11 on 2, how many minutes? So the minute here is 0. This gives us 30 multiplied by 5 is gives us 150 degrees. automatically this is 0. So the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 5 o'clock is 150 degrees. So let's look at C when the time is 7:30. Theta is equal to the absolute value 30 degrees per hour minus 11 on 2 minutes, all in degrees. So this gives us 30 multiplied by how many hours? 7 minus 11 on 2 multiplied by how many minutes? 30. And all this is giving us the angle in degrees. So this gives us 30 multiplied by 7 is 210 minus 11 on 2 multiplied by 30 is giving us 165 degrees. So this is giving us 210 minus 165, 45 degrees. So the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when the time is 7:30 is 45 degrees.